How to put restrictions on Safari. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can put restrictions on Safari. Well, if you want to put certain restrictions on Safari, here is what you can do. Simply open up your settings on your device, and on your settings, what you can do is you can scroll down, and here, you want to search in for the option screen time. So head into screen time. Under screen time, you want to scroll down and you can see restrictions. Under it, you can see content and privacy restrictions. Head in it. Now here you want to enable this. Once you have enabled it, what you can do is you can manage web content, app access, and other features. You can also restrict specific websites, limit adult content, or only allow access to approved websites as well. So once you have enabled it, you want to tap on allowed app and features, right? And under it, you can go ahead and choose the website settings as well, the access to web content, and enable it. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.